Learn about the various types of hangers and supports, including their materials and applications. We'll cover essential topics like hanging components and spacing requirements to ensure you understand the technical details. Let us move on to hanging and bracing definitions. Four-way bracing. Adjacent sway braces or a sway brace assembly intended to resist differential movement of the system, piping in all horizontal directions. Four-way bracing. A sway brace assembly could include a lateral and longitudinal brace in combination. Hanger. A device or assembly used to support the gravity load of the system piping. Lateral brace. A sway brace intended to resist differential movement perpendicular to the axis of the system piping. Longitudinal brace. A sway brace intended to resist differential movement parallel to the axis of the system piping. Net vertical force. The vertical reaction due to the angle of installation of sway braces on system piping resulting from earthquake motion. Post-installed anchors. A device used for fastening pipe to the building structure, installed in hardened concrete. Prying factor. A factor based on fitting geometry and brace angle from vertical that results in an increase in tension load due to the effects of prying between the upper seismic brace attachment fitting and the structure. Seismic separation assembly. An assembly of fittings, pipe, flexible pipe, and/or couplings that permits movement in all directions to accommodate seismic differential movement across building seismic separation joints. Sway brace. An assembly intended to be attached to the system piping to resist horizontal earthquake loads in two directions. Support components. In this section, we will explore the different types of hanger supports used for fire sprinkler systems. While there are several types available, it's important to note that additional types may be used, but they might require approval from your local authority having jurisdiction. AHJ. Hanger rods. A hanger rod is a metal rod used to suspend and support piping systems from ceilings, beams, or other structural elements. It is designed to hold pipes securely in place, preventing them from sagging or shifting. Ferrous metals contain iron and are usually magnetic, while non-ferrous metals do not contain significant amounts of iron and are typically more resistant to corrosion. The hanging rod, also known as an AL thread, commonly comes in sizes such as 3/8 inch for standard applications and 1/2 inch for 5-inch pipes and larger. In this chart, in Chapter 17.2.1.1, we see the size of rod sizes needed to support for the corresponding pipe size. Here is a page with a list of pre-existing supports. Here's the example of the listed straps and hangers on pipe. This is the U-shaped part of the hanger which wraps around the pipe. It provides a stable point of contact and support. The swivel ring allows the pipe to rotate and adjust its angle, making it easier to align pipes correctly during installation. This flexibility is particularly useful in complex installations where precise alignment is crucial. A sealing flange is a type of support component used to anchor and secure pipes or other elements to a sealing structure. Heat clamping band is wrapped around the pipe and tightened using the screw or bolt. This action compresses the band against the pipe, holding it firmly in place and preventing movement. A riser clamp is a type of pipe support specifically designed to secure vertical pipes, often referred to as risers. The main component, a split ring, is typically a circular metal ring that is split into 2 or more segments. This split allows the ring to be adjusted or expanded to fit around the pipe. Universal beam clamps are versatile fastening devices used to secure various types of equipment or structural components to beams or other support structures. They are designed to be adjustable and adaptable. In fire sprinkler systems, toggle nuts might be used to secure various components or brackets to walls or ceilings, where traditional anchoring methods are not feasible. Hanger spacing for fire sprinkler systems refers to the recommended distance between support hangers that hold and stabilize the sprinkler pipes. Proper hanger spacing is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of the piping system, preventing sagging or movement, and ensuring the system's compliance with building codes and standards. Pipe hangers are the most common way that is used to support fire sprinkler pipes. Normally just a hanger ring, rod, a way to support to the structural support. In this example, you can see how to commonly support fire sprinkler pipe. A way to connect to the structural support. Rod, other known as AL thread. Hanger ring. Other forms of connection you might see are B-clamps, SAMI anchors, power-driven studs, Examples of SAMIs: swivel X press, steel vertical, steel horizontal, concrete vertical, X press, wood vertical, wood horizontal, concrete anchors, and examples for installation. Join us next week as we dive into trapeze hangers and walk through example problems to show you how to figure them out step by step.